Hi guys, I'm about to show you how to set up the Gorgias app inside your sub account. So let's get started. Once you search for the app at the level of App Marketplace, just go at the install and then allow and install. There are some credentials you're supposed to provide in order to get the installation going. Let's provide them: API key, email address, the domain, and we continue. You get success. This means the tool is already installed. And the next step right now is just go and access the tool. But before we do, if you notice, when we scroll down here, we don't have the tool, so we need to refresh the page. Let's do it right over here. We are. So we scroll down. There you go. We have Gorgias. Let's click on it. Bingo. This is the new interface. We have the documentation. If you go at the level of view, it provides different steps that you follow in order to set up the app. And next, you go at the level of tutorials. You have this smart you guide that's going to show you how to get all the credentials. And of course, down here, we have the setup video. And finally, the setup, which gives you the status of the app. If it's not connected, of course, you have the possibility to get it connected. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach our support team, who is available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching this video, guys.